Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the device. Back up your data and remove any case to control temperature. Make sure the room sits near 20-25 degrees and disable fast charge or performance modes so charging behaves predictably. Once ready, plug in and charge to 100% uninterrupted, then run a full discharge down to about 0% for one cycle. This calibration step helps the battery meter relearn capacity. It won't magically add cells, but it corrects reporting and can restore health readings. You now run diagnostics and targeted maintenance. Use official tools or trusted apps to check cycle count, cell voltages, and temperature history so you know where damage occurred. Once informed, perform 1 or 2 controlled top-up cycles, charge to 80%, discharge to about 30% to condition chemistry gently. Avoid making 0% to 100% the daily norm. Also optimize software. Limit background sync, reduce screen brightness, and set a daily charge cap at 50-80% to reduce wear over time. You finish by verifying results. Run the health check again and note changes in maximum capacity and cycle count. If reporting improves, continue conservative charging habits to maintain it. If there's little or no recovery, plan for battery replacement or professional reconditioning. Software-only fixes can't restore chemically degraded cells. Troubleshoot reporting issues first. Reset the device power management controller, SMC/PMIC, or update firmware to correct false readings. If problems persist, seek a certified service for safe replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.